express a larger whole number as a fraction of a smaller whole number. Let's say that an item in a shop costs £4. The week before, the same item had only cost £3. We could say there's an increase in the price from £3 to £4. The fraction we're looking for is the fraction that will act as a multiplier to give us the new price if we take that multiplier and apply it to the old price. So £3 times something is £4. We can find that a number of ways. Perhaps the easiest way is to take the £3 over the equal sign, and when we take the £3 and the times sign over the equal sign, it becomes a divide by. So our question mark becomes £4 divided by £3. We can actually get rid of our pound sign because it's on the top and the bottom, and say that our fraction, our question mark, is 4 divided by 3. It's what we call an improper fraction. And the reason it's an improper fraction is because the number on the top, the numerator, is larger than the denominator. And for numerator is larger than the denominator. If we say that a typical fraction is numerator divided by denominator. So if that's the case, we're dealing with an improper fraction. We don't have to write a top-heavy or improper fraction like we have done here, 4/3. We could write it differently. If we're dividing 4 by 3, which is really what we're doing when we write a fraction out. Any fraction could be considered as a divide. We can say that 3 goes into 4 once, which is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. Bring down the 0 that we can't see from the tenths column. We've got 10 there. And we can either say, we can put the number we're dividing by over this number here. So this is to say that 4/3 is the same as 1 3/10. Or we could have carried on doing our division here, dividing 3 into 10. Which would have given us a decimal. Get rid of this bottom bit as well. So we can say that 4/3 equals 1 3/10, but we could also say, we carry on doing our long division, 3 into 10 goes 3 times, which is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 0 from the hundredths column. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 0 at the thousandths column. And I think you can probably see a pattern emerging where we've got 1.33333 recurring. So that's the same as 1 3/10. So we've got really three options of how to write how to write 4/3. We can either write it as an improper fraction or a mixed number, that's an integer value and a proper fraction, or we can write our improper fraction as a decimal. So we've looked at, to recap, how we'd express a larger whole number as a fraction of a smaller whole number, and also our options for writing our final answer.